Hi guys, this is creamy shrimp scampi with linguine mixed in, and you see how the shrimp are perfectly cooked. You want them just opaque. This recipe comes together in under 30 minutes. If you're looking for a quick recipe for a family and you guys love shrimp scampi, you might want to give this a try. Keep watching and I'll show you how to make this. Okay, here are the ingredients for creamy shrimp scampi with linguine. I've already sprayed my 8x8 dish with some non-stick cooking spray. For a family, you'll need a full box of linguine. I'm going to use a cup of mozzarella and a cup of Parmesan. I'm using Reggiano. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to use that lemon, about a teaspoon of paprika, 1 cup of white wine. Optional, you don't have to use that. You definitely need the whipping cream and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. This all comes together in under 30 minutes. 4 tablespoons of butter. Oven is set to 400 degrees. Let's get cooking. Okay, the linguine is cooked. You kind of want it al dente, so don't let it go too far because this is going into the oven. Okay, we're going to start with 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. This is the cream sauce. This is what makes it creamy shrimp scampi. So I'm going to add that to the bowl. This is one of my favorite dishes, and just my disclaimer, I'm not making this for me, I'm giving this away because those of you that know me, welcome back. You know I'm lactose intolerant. This would kill me. So we're going to go with a cup, low moisture mozzarella, and then 1 cup of Parmesan. Parmesan cheese. One teaspoon of Italian seasoning and paprika to taste. Mix this all together. Sorry about that, guys. Bumped the camera. Get this all mixed. Yeah, this doesn't bake for any longer than 10 to 12 minutes because you definitely don't want the shrimp rubbery or overcooked. Okay, to this skillet, I'm going to add 1 cup of white wine. You don't have to do this. This is just like true shrimp scampi. It does have wine in it. And I forgot to tell you guys, I apologize. You need garlic for this. This is butter. You need 4 garlic cloves or 4 tablespoons of garlic. And here's the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now you just want to cook this until it melts and gets the wine taste, all the alcohol cooks off. Okay, I've got that on a simmer. I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic to this. And this only cooks for a minute because remember this goes into the oven. I'm going to add a heaping handful of parsley. Stir this until the butter melts. And this is the base or part of the sauce that makes this so delicious. And you want to cook it to take the raw garlic taste off. Since it only cooks for 10 minutes, that's not enough time in the oven. But if you like it super garlicky, you can skip this part and not cook it. Okay guys, I'm going to add my cooked linguine to the bottom of this dish. And like I said, this is only for 1 or 2 people. If you're going to cook it for a family, use the whole entire box. This is for a friend of mine, shout out to Kisa, who eats a lot of my food that I can't eat because I'm lactose intolerant. It doesn't tear my stomach up. I apologize. You have to salt and pepper your shrimp. This black pepper. You want to season at every level. This is Himalayan sea salt. Whichever kind you like. Okay, to this I'm going to add half of the wine and butter and garlic to this. That's about half. And then on top of this, I'm going to add our peeled, deveined, and cooked, raw shrimp. There's no tails, and you see they're pretty big. You know, my channel is about quick, fast, and easy, and this makes a dinner out of it if you love shrimp scampi and you want some creaminess to it. You can add the cheese, because most shrimp scampi is only wine, butter, olive oil, garlic, and that is the gist of it. Putting the shrimp on top. That's all the shrimp, and then you want to add the cheese sauce. Then the rest of the garlic. Yikes. My other camera flipped over. Okay, that is all set. Into the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes to start. Your girl forgot the lemon juice. I like to add that last. Make sure every bit gets the lemony flavor, because it's kind of like peanut butter and jelly. You need lemon for shrimp scampi. This is how it looks in the oven after 10 minutes. Okay guys, there it is. It took my oven about 20 minutes, but definitely I'm adding some more fresh parsley, so the rest of it that cooked with it has a brown color, and that's not appealing. But definitely your shrimp need to be opaque like these are here, and in a half moon shape. And if you go down deep, you get the linguine. Should have bought fettuccine, I wasn't thinking. So if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Those that know me, welcome back. You know, I upload 2 videos a week. I always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. And my recipes are easy for the beginner. This is for a friend at work, like I said, Kisa. Shout out to you. Thanks for taking this for me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you don't want to use wine, do not. You don't have to use wine. You can omit that. So let me get everything set up and tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, let me tell you my joke. A policeman was rushed to the hospital with an inflamed appendix. The doctors operated and advised him that all was well. However, the policeman kept feeling something pulling and tugging at his pubic hairs. Worried that he might need a second surgery and the doctors hadn't told him about it, he finally got up enough energy to pull up his hospital gown, enough so he could see what was making him so uncomfortable. Taped firmly across his pubic hair and his private parts were 3 wide strips of adhesive tape, the kind that doesn't come off easily, if at all. Written on the tape in large black letters was the sentence, "Get well soon from the nurse in the Land Rover you booked for speeding last week." I cracked up. You know, I'm a nurse. I haven't had a ticket in over 20 years, and I have been pulled over several times. I'm embarrassed to say. I no longer drive any faster than 80 miles an hour. Let me put that out there, because I'm over 60 and I'm not trying to die in a car. But once they pulled me over, they told me that as soon as I got my license, I keep my badge in the car at all times. I flash my badge. They'll give me a ticket, if anything, for double parking. So if you guys are nurses, ask them, can I get double parking? Can I get impeding traffic? Those will not affect your insurance and run your insurance up. Now, they're usually high tickets, but like I said, it protects your insurance. So I just wanted to clarify that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and please comment. I always respond to each and every comment that people make, because I appreciate and I'm grateful for the time you take out of your day to watch my videos. So give this a try. It's delicious. Like I said, I'm taking it to work tomorrow. I just sent her a picture of it because I'm lactose intolerant and I can't do the cheese and the heavy cream. But love you guys. Please come back for the next one. And I pray that God blesses you all and keeps you all healthy, you and your entire family. And I pray to see you on the next one. Jennifer Mallory.